Greetings, my name is Gerard. Welcome to Just One Good Trade, the trading channel in which you get to see a professional trader trade. Interestingly, here what we are seeing a consolidation period, even though when you think about it, it seems like we are heading for a reversal. This is the 15-minute chart, a reversal. Going down, 5 minutes, it touched the 30 period SMA. Is it gonna reach it? We don't know yet, but here, let's see. Wow, that is an impressive run up. The truth is, we're gonna wait for the price action to subside and see what's going to happen. My perspective is trend is down. So most likely we are going to have a reversal going down. But until the proper signs are there, I'm not going to make a move. So here you have the 200 chart, the 200 simple moving average, the 150 moving average. Price action has crossed the 60 and 50 moving average, meaning in the short run, it seems like it might go up, but I'm not totally sure yet. We are always aiming for 5 to 10 points. That's what we're aiming for on a daily basis. And we're also aiming to limit our losses. Losses are inevitable, but what we can do is limit the amount of, basically limit how much we lose. So first, making sure I put my stop loss. And then at this point, it's a matter of waiting. Price action has crossed the Bollinger Bands, moved all the way up. What movement are we going to have? Again, I'm expecting price action to go down, but then I needed to cross those simple moving averages just to give me a clear idea that indeed it's happening. Okay, let us see. Interesting. 30. Okay. So for me here, if it crosses those moving averages and in the next candle, I will I'm in. Okay. So let's see what's going to happen. So we have 2 points here. I'm going to put a line here showing that this is our okay. Interestingly, price action went all the way down and reversed. There's nothing we can do about that. It reversed past the previous low. At this point, we should have exited here. But let us see what's going to happen. I'm expecting it to at least go here, and ideally for 10 points, it would be somewhere here. So I'm going to put this 3. And again, this is if we don't exit this trade, which doesn't seem like it's going to get there. But it's not touched or stop loss yet, so we are waiting. Now, what I'm trying to find out is it going to cross the low? Ooh, right now we're getting a sense that it is a pivot. So unless it goes back and crosses, we might need to exit. Let us see what is happening. With this interesting reversal, we chose to exit and take a small loss. Now, everything is showing that it might, if it crosses this, let's aim for a buy trade. See how far it's about to go. We're heading into what might be our salvation trade, going down. Let's see if it's going to at least cross this previous low here, and then here and here. Hopefully, the volatility is crazy. I touched it, touched the low, and reversed. Hope it will continue as drive down. That's the next candle. Is it going to continue down? If it crosses this, we are in amazing shape. If it crosses this as well, we are in amazing shape. This is a point of, okay. This is it. That's the point. If it crosses this line and at least gets here, we know we're going to have to exit if it doesn't cross it decisively. Let's hope it continues. Ooh. Let's hope it continues. For me, if it crosses back this is not a good sign. Hope it continues. Is it going to cross the previous low? Okay, it crossed it. Is it going to reach the ultimate low, which was here? If it does, okay, so it touched it. Is it going to cross it decisively? If it doesn't, we need to exit. By decisively, I mean at least cross it and not reverse back. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh man, it is reversing back. Okay, I had to exit. It did touch the it touched the low and then reversed. Took a little bit of a wow, look at that. Took a little bit of a profit. Wow. So let's look at what would have been the good trades here. So the first good trade that we had is this one here. But then by the time the mistake we made, and I will admit that we made this mistake, is by the time it reversed past the previous low, we didn't exit. The other good trades is this one here. You see how price action crossed? This is a wonderful movement. Beautiful move. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Life does this all the time. Look at that. Beautiful movement up. What happens? We had a pivot. Price action crosses a lot of the moving averages. Wow, look at that. Isn't that upsetting sometimes? When price action does this and then reverses brutally, then goes back. Very upsetting sometimes, but there's nothing you can do. This trade here, pivot. Wow, it did touch the goal. Wow, oh man. Well, wow. So let's see, from here to here, that would have been 10 pips. That would have been 10 pips. But there's nothing we can do. We can't really approach trading with guilt because we react to the market. But of course, that would have been a good trade. You get into the moving averages, it's not crossing, then you exit. Now, for here, that's an interesting point. That's an interesting moment here because what happens at this point is I don't know if I should enter right away. I honestly don't know. But then, by the time it crosses this line, you can take the bet. You can take the bet, which I took. I made a little profit. That being said, thank you very much. We are going to leave the market. I made a small little profit, and we'll take it. We'll take what we have. And thank you very much for your time. Remember, all you need is just one good trade, and all you need is really to take your profits and leave when you can, which I'm going to do right now. Have a wonderful day.